What's cracking, y'all? This is Enzo Rides coming at you with another video. Today, I'm gonna be showing you guys the new Supermoto wheel setup on the Surron Ultra Bee and a couple other parts I just picked up for it. Let's go. Bam, so this is it, baby. This is the new Ultra Bee pickup we got. So it's a 2025 21 kilowatt hour Surron Ultra Bee. I'm not too familiar with these Surrons. Like I said in my last videos, I'm new to the e-bikes, but you know, I've been learning a lot about them and all the parts that I could throw at it and everything. So first things first, I picked this up. I was looking for one of these for a little minute, about a month, and I couldn't find nothing under, you know, if you get it from a dealer, $6 grand. You get it from a private party anywhere from 48 to 52, just really depending. And those are the ones who got these from Alibaba and shit like that. So yeah, I was looking, kind of figured I'd spend about $5 grand for one of these if I wanted one. Had the money, just chilling. But I encountered an ad on Facebook Marketplace that stated, it was this one. It said, hey, I got a Surron Ultra Bee for sale, $4,900, or trade for electric mountain bike size medium, which I so happen to have. Canyon, CFR Underdog, Bosch motor, Fox suspension, pretty sick. Paid about $4,500 for it last year. Used a majority of the funds from my HSA FSA account. If you got any questions, hit me up in the comments. I'll be glad to explain that to you. But that's how we picked it up. But yeah, this is it. Kid traded me. It was actually a 14-year-old kid. I thought it was a grown-ass man, but it wasn't. 14-year-old kid. He did a straight-up clean trade with me for this Surron Ultra Bee. So I feel like I came up. I'm sure he feels like he came up overall. Everyone's happy. But yeah, so this is it. 400 miles on the odometer. Original black plastics. He opted not to put on the little gold kit that it had. The engine little covers right here are gone, so I'll be replacing those. We're gonna go with a black and purple scheme for this. Maybe I'll powder coat the frame later on, but that's what we got right now. So I picked up this. We got the CST Surron OEM Supermoto wheels. I bought these from a dude online. It did come with the dirts. They're over there if you can see them. Oh, zoom out. Came with the dirt setup. Bam. Oh, what's up, man? Pretty good. Hold on. Yeah, so that was just the sales guy going door to door. But yeah, I picked up these Surron OEM Supermoto wheel setup for these. It came with the sprocket already attached and the rotors, which was nice because it was just a direct swap. I didn't have to go ahead and move any of my hardware over there. So as you see, I still got the rotors and the sprocket on that one. Pretty nice. Picked those up from a guy up in Chino. He sells Ultra Bees pretty much for the low too, so if you need to connect. But yeah, this is it. Comes with the upgraded gold forks. Comes with the little white and gold rear suspension. I gotta adjust that because I'm kind of a big boy, so you know. 195, so we gotta go ahead and we'll be doing some suspension upgrades. But yeah, overall it's pretty sick. Let's see. Yo, it's a little weird. It's different from a motorcycle, right? Like you gotta hold this little ready once you hit it. Oh, sorry, kickstand can't be up neither, but I'll show you guys on my other video. But it's pretty legit. Got a headlight. Peep the headlight out. Pretty nice. Got bright. So far. Oh yeah, and this kid, I'll turn this off. It's like a running light. Oh, I don't know if it's always on. Huh, I didn't even know that was always on like that. Trip out. But yeah, so this kid went ahead and opted up. There's a USB little outlet to charge anything if you ever want to run something, but he disconnected that and his dad did or something. He connected a little rock light. Peep that out, it's pretty tight. Little rock light. Let's see, turn it off. pretty tight. He got the gut seat cover that he stapled on. We're gonna be removing that. Got the little headlight set up. But yeah, this is what we got going on so far. So your boy had a hit Moto. Got me a new fucking helmet. We went with the Fox V3. Little black white helmet right there. Bam, we going Supermoto setup, dirt bike helmet. I got some Oakley goggles already. Picked up these bad boys. Woo. We're going with the purple Renthals. Make a little video throwing those up on it. Got some ODI bars. Oh, my bad, grandma. Bam. Some ODI grips, I'm sorry. ODI grips. Renthal fat bars going on. I got some purple foot pegs on the way. I got me a shift lock little moto, so when I'm doing wheelies, I can lock my fucking big ass in. We picked up a purple suspension triangle. Ooh, can't see it. Purple suspension triangle. Probably gonna get the purple linkage too. I can't find it. And then purple brake levers. So we got purple brake levers, the Warp 9 triangle, I forget what brand it is for the shift lock, Warp 9 pegs or foot mounts. This thing is automatic, so I'm gonna pull the trigger on some gray plastics probably a little later. Ooh. And yeah, we'll go from there. We'll see what this build got. Probably purple sprocket. We'll do a little gold chain, make it look sick. Give me a skid plate, see what this thing can do. Gonna rip it on the street for a little bit. So it is registered as an off-highway vehicle. I do have registration for it. I'm just gonna try to find a way to loophole it and fucking get myself some street reg so I could ride this thing, you know, to and from work. That'd be fucking sick. But yeah, this thing's pretty fast overall. I'll get you guys a little POV video with my Ray-Ban Metas and we'll check it out. Thanks for watching, y'all. Damn, check it out, y'all. We got the Ultra Bee set up. Takes a key, turn that bad boy on. Then you gotta hit this little ready button. Once that ready turns on, you'll see the little gray ready turn on right there. I guess we could use our headlights. And we can mob it. That's it, man. It's just so weird because I'm used to a foot brake, right? I've been riding for a long time, so I'm used to the whole foot brake thing. But there is no foot brake. It's completely automatic, so just rip it up. I mean, it gets it for what it does, you know. It's gonna be a fun little project, I'm sure. You just gotta really get used to the sound, because you know, I tried to pop a little wheelie on it, but I ain't got my helmet on, so let's not risk it, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, it's pretty sick. That was in drive mode actually, so they have us a different modes. Sport mode, you click it in the sport mode, E mode, sport mode, turbo comes on, all that. So I gotta learn more what the modes are, but yeah, but yeah, it's pretty fucking sick, you know. Oh, that's econ mode. If I put it in sport mode, turbo. So yeah, just put it in regular drive mode, I guess. But yeah, it's pretty fucking sick, huh? Another little function I think that's pretty fucking sick on this thing, and it's kind of weird because, like I said, it's automatic, right? So it has its own little thing. But let's check it out. So I do need to do a suspension upgrade because your boy's kind of big, but peek this shit out. Hold it right here. It goes in reverse, baby. Oh, that shit's strong. It's fucking weird, right? But pretty fucking sick. Goes in reverse. Now you just let go and it throws itself back in fucking drive. Yeah, the only thing I need to set this thing up for my weight, because when I'm on it, which I haven't adjusted in a minute, the whole time I've had it, but it kind of sags real low. So when I try to put the kickstand down, I'm already like maxed out this bitch. So I actually got to hop off of it the other way, which is, you know. But yeah, it's pretty fucking tight, huh?